So Woodyah is a new company that you guys might not know about yet, but they're making some really cool inventions for vintage hand planes that I want to show you guys. So I'm going to show you what they're all about and how to install them, so stick with me. Here is another invention from Woodyah.com. So what it does is it takes your vintage plane and turns it into a shooting plane by having this plastic piece that turns the tote sideways, so then you can comfortably shoot. This plastic piece is made out of like a thermoplastic, so I don't want you guys to think that it's like a flimsy plastic. Like, this isn't going to break. Your tote's going to break before this does. So I love this a lot because not everybody can afford like a legit shooting plane, and some people just like using a regular plane, but it's like awkward to hold on to. Like, you have to kind of hold here and then, oh crap, I moved the cap, which adjusts my lateral because you're holding onto the blade. Nightmare. So you get this, it turns your tote, and there you go, you're set. So let me show you guys how to install this. I do want to mention too that this is not a Stanley. I honestly don't even know what brand this is. I haven't looked into it, but it's made for Stanley planes. It just so happens to fit this one too. So reach out to Woodyah. I think he has a contact link on his website. If you're not sure if it's going to fit your plane or not, he can probably send you the measurements and stuff like that to see if it's going to work. But it definitely works on older Stanleys. 5, maybe 6, 7, I don't know. Again, ask him, but I think most people use a 5 for their shooting. All right, let me take this off, and then I'll reinstall it and show you guys how we do that. When you get your package from Woodyah, the first thing you want to do, take the tote off, obviously. This long screw you can set to the side because this one's going to replace that. So set this to the side. In the box from Woodyah, you're going to receive all these different pieces, and I'll show you what they do. This is the actual plastic piece that does the work. The original tote screw that goes in the front, you want to keep that because that's going to be used to hook this plastic piece to the body of the plane. The screw that you get from Woodyah, it's a 3/16 Allen wrench. That's the other piece that's going to be used to attach this to the body of the plane. So let me show you that part. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take this Allen wrench one and drop it into here, if it'll let me. There we go. And then position that onto the plane, and then take your Allen wrench and tighten it down. Don't snug it up too much because you then need to take that original tote screw, drop it into the front here, and then line that up and tighten it down. Now that that's snug, I'm going to go back and tighten up the Allen key one. It's kind of at a weird angle, so you'll just have to figure that out when you get it, but I know that that's tough in the beginning. There we go. So that's on there nice and secure. Next thing that I want to do is set it on its side. You're then going to take your tote and then the rest of the hardware. I dropped one of the washers, but you get these 2 washers and they go onto this long screw. That's the first thing that I want to do. Then I'm going to take that and drop it inside of the original tote. Line it up on here and screw that in. Don't tighten it down too far because you then have to take the other supplied screw that goes in the front here. Line that up and drop it in. And screw that one in. Alright, there we go. I snugged that one up. I'm going to go ahead and go back and snug this one up. And there we go. It's on there really securely, really nice. You don't want to over tighten anything because you don't want to thread things out, but there you go. So it takes your tote, turns it to the side, and you can shoot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this thing is really cool. I honestly expected it to be like a weak, cheap piece of plastic, but it's not. It's really strong, and like I said, I think your tote would break before this thing would break. I'm really happy that it included the hardware. I hate when you buy something and it doesn't come with hardware and you kind of have to like dig through your drawers to see if you have the right pieces. So I like it a lot. I definitely recommend it if you guys use a vintage hand plane as a shooting plane. this just changed the game, in my opinion, when it comes to shooting planes, because you no longer have to hold up here and risk adjusting your lateral or anything like that. You've got a comfortable handle right here that is strong. And it's at a really ergonomic and a really comfortable angle. So I will put his website down in the description. Again, if you guys have any technical questions or anything like that about which planes it fits and yada yada, ask him, because I don't know. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good one.